start recognizing clues. You'll recognize that the deal book goes very bullish here. So as soon as the deal book goes very bullish, the first thing you're going to recognize, of course, is that when I see a very bullish deal book, the dealer at this stage is going to be passive. So I'm going to be drawing an angle on the way down, right? So this is going to be where the buy trade is. If I then see a buyer coming in when the deal book's bullish, what I then do is instead of just drawing a buy on the angle, what I'm going to now do is I'm going to draw a buy against where the buyer came in. So now I'm getting into an area that I'm going to be using to buy in this area, right? This is now a buy trade for me. How nice was that buy trade? Well, very nice. Thank you very much. So when the deal book goes bullish again here, we're obviously at a bottom edge. So what I'm going to do is at that stage, I'm going to draw an angle. And obviously, if I see any buyers coming in from that point onwards, and there's a buyer there, I'm going to draw a line. So therefore, I'm doing exactly the same as what we did earlier. I'm going to look for buyers when the deal book's bullish, and I'm going to draw a line. If I can now draw a line, I now have an area, just like this. I now have an area that I'm going to be a possible buyer into. There's my next buy opportunity right there. When the deal book goes bearish, what I'm going to be initially thinking is I'm going to be looking to trade on the angle. So obviously, I'm going to be looking to trade on the angle when it goes bearish. So that it goes bearish here. So I'm thinking that I'm going to be trading on the angle. So obviously, that's the dangerous one. If we then see a seller coming in, and we see a seller coming in beautifully here, then that gives me a price level that I can now recognize as an incredibly high probability short sell. Incredibly high probability short sell. And from that incredibly high probability short sell, we get another opportunity. And obviously, the takeaway from that trade is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So, effectively, in the last half hour, we had these two amazing trades here and here. And we were able to clear away over $1,000 profit in total, just off of those two little small trade outcomes. So you don't need to get a lot of these. You just need to get very good ones with incredible probabilities. There's nothing else that's going to give you as high a probability. That is 100% certainty. Nothing you will see in the retail space will ever even get close to the probability that the deal book's going to give you in terms of these outcomes. That's got